About our variation question, is typical that they will give us the structure of S, which is the outcome of the function. There is one part is constant, another part varies as n, and then we have two parts, which means we have two coefficients. So they give us two cases to solve those two equations afterward. So the first part is to write down the structure of function S first. They say it's a sum of two parts, so S is equal to first part and then plus the second part. They say the first part is a constant, which means that it's not depends on any other input, just a constant k here. And then the second part varies as n, that means it is k times of n. But these two k are different, so we put k1 and k2 here. That's how we get S. Therefore, we just let S equal to k1 plus k2n. While k1, k2 are non-zero constant, because without this condition, then when it is zero, then may be contrary to this statement. So they say that we have case 1. When n equal to 10, then S will equal to 10600. So we just plug it in. Replace S by 10,600. And then we pay n by 10. We tidy up the first equation already. We do the same for the second case. When n is equal to 6, then S will equal to 9,000. So we place S by 9,000 and then it's equal to k1 plus 6 times of k2. After that, we are going to solve a simultaneous equation. Just tidy up like this, and then we can use our calculator, or you may solve it by yourself. We get k1 and k1, so by subtraction, k1 will become 0 and disappear. Only k2 is left. So if we do so, 10k2 minus what below 6k2 is equal to 10600 minus right hand side 9,000. Both sides divided by 4, k2 is equal to 400. So since k1 plus 10k2 is equal to 10600, you may use another equation as you like. So k1 plus 10 times 400. Then we get k1 is 6,600. Therefore, we can write down S is a function. k1 6,600 plus k2 times 400 of n. And then they are asking the specific situation when Susan sells 20 handbags. That means n is equal to 20. What is S? This is what asking. So we continue our calculation. When n is equal to 20, then S is equal to 6,600 plus 400 times 20. Then we get 14,600. So her income, that means S here. We say that the income, her income is 14600. And then in part B, they say that is that possible there are a certain number of handbags, that means n is remain unknown. And then but the condition is the outcome, that means S is equal to 18,000. So in part B, we are talking about when S is equal to 18,000, then we just replace S by 18,000. And then we are going to search for n to fulfill this requirement. And finally, we have a look, is that n makes sense? So 11400 is equal to 400 and divide both sides by 400. Then we get 28.5, which means that in order to get the income exactly 18,000, then we have to sell 28.5 bags. But it's totally not make sense. The key point is this one, we expect it should be a whole number. So we say since n is not integer, in this case, therefore it's impossible.